We always thought of dinosaurs as gigantic lizards or gigantic monsters.
Dinosaurs actually just evolved into present-day birds. The evolution of birds is relevant to us today because we've got all of these new discoveries that have happened. And when I was growing up, it was dinosaurs, and then there were everybody else who was a present-day animal. And there was not a marriage between those two. So VINS, we were trying to be able to exhibit all of the new discoveries that have been happening over the last few years.
You will be going through a walk through time from 250 million years to present. So the scale is that the entire exhibit be 250 million years. The present day, so 10, 20,000 years of human evolution, is simply you putting the tip of your finger on the page. That will represent our entire civilized existence.
We are hoping to be able to reach all ages in this exhibit. For the adults, there will be a lot that they can read and learn about through text, but then also tactile and imagery and just the feel of some of these animals and how amazing they were.
Could we imagine something that would bring more school children in the month of May and early June? And we thought, well, what greater thing than birds and dinosaurs?
So there will be lots of interactives throughout. Any way that we can use the senses is a good way to bring it to someone and relate it to them.
We will make a dig, so you'll actually be able to pretend you're a paleontologist scraping away the surface of the ground and discovering this really remarkable creature, trying to figure out what it is. Up close and personal experience is what makes these exhibits more powerful.
VIN's mission is to motivate individuals and communities to care for the environment through education, research, and avian wildlife rehabilitation. This exhibit speaks to our education part of the mission. So we educate in many different ways, whether it's through our raptor programs, through our naturalistic residence programs, and through all of the exhibits that we have at our nature center. This new exhibit on Birds Are Dinosaurs is simply another way to educate people about the animals that are all around us.
It'll just be fun.
There we go.
Great.
We're just going to have fun.
Discover how birds evolved from dinosaurs in our new exhibit at the VINS Nature Center.